English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Part 1, listening practice. First, listen to a short conversation between two friends. They're talking about politics after watching the news. Hey, did you watch the debate last night?
Yeah, I did. It was pretty intense.
I know, right? Both candidates had strong opinions.
Exactly. I like some of the new policies they discussed, especially about education.
Same here. But I think the economy should have been a bigger focus.
True. I also think people need to research before forming an opinion.
Absolutely. It's important to stay informed before making decisions.
So, who do you think had a stronger argument?
Honestly, I'm still deciding. I want to read more about their plans first.
That's smart. Let's follow the updates together this week.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation.
Debate. A formal discussion where people express different opinions.
Example. The presidential debate was on TV last night.
Debate?
Debate? What debate? Oh, about whether...
Policies. Plans or ideas for how to solve issues or manage situations.
Example. The government introduced new education policies.
A new era calls for new policies.
Guard for their own laws, these unjust policies.
Tomorrow, we'll implement those policies.
Stay informed. To keep yourself updated with the latest facts or news.
Example. I read the newspaper every morning to stay informed.
And you stay informed of the local...
There's nothing wrong with staying informed.
Always shitty. And people are like, well, you gotta stay informed. I'm like,
remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Hey, did you watch the debate last night?
Yeah, I did. It was pretty intense.
What did Alex ask Ryan about? He asked if Ryan watched the debate last night.
Exactly. I like some of the new policies they discussed, especially about education.
What topic did Ryan like from the debate? The new policies about education. Same here. But I think the economy should have been a bigger focus. What did Alex think should have been discussed more? The economy.
True. I also think people need to research before forming an opinion.
Why does Ryan think people should research? To understand the facts before forming an opinion. What does stay informed mean? To keep yourself updated with the latest news and information.
Great job! Keep answering out loud, your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, shadowing practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Hey, did you watch the debate last night? I know, right? Both candidates had strong opinions. Same here. But I think the economy should have been a bigger focus. Absolutely. It's important to stay informed before making decisions. Honestly, I'm still deciding. I want to read more about their plans first.
Yeah, I did. It was pretty intense. Exactly. I like some of the new policies they discussed, especially about education. True. I also think people need to research before forming an opinion. So, who do